It's early January, and if you are feeling the quiet pressure to already know what this year should look like, I feel it too. And I want you to pause for a moment. You don't need to have everything figured out yet. You are allowed to begin this year slowly, to breathe, reflect, and set your own pace. Before planning, before setting goals, before asking more from yourself, let's take a few minutes to gently reflect together and create space for calm clarity as we step into this new year. I'm going to share a few journal prompts. After each one, I will leave a full minute of quiet space so you can write with me. Move at your own pace, and if you feel like you need more time, you can always pause the video and continue journaling. It's about clarity, self trust, and creating a year that truly supports you. Take a slow breath and ask yourself, what am I ready to leave behind from last year, emotionally, mentally, or energetically? Not what you should let go of, but what already feels heavy, what no longer fits the version of you are becoming. You don't need to carry everything forward. Gently bring your attention back to your body and reflect on this. When did I feel most overwhelmed or drained last year? And what was my body quietly asking for in those moments? There's no judgment here, just awareness. This question is about learning how to care for yourself more honestly this year. Now take a moment to look back at the year you just lived. Ask yourself, what genuinely filled me, even in small, quiet ways, and brought me a sense of peace or aliveness? Not what looked productive, not what impressed anyone else, but what felt nourishing on the inside. And gently ask, how can I make a little more space for that this year? Now imagine a version of you who feels more grounded, more steady, more at home within herself. Ask yourself, if I moved through this year as my calm, emotionally regulated future self, how would I work, rest, and make decisions differently? Notice what shifts: your pace, your boundaries, your priorities. This version of you isn't perfect. She is present and she trusts herself. Instead of planning everything at once, soften your approach. Reflect on this. What are one or two areas of my life that deserve my loving attention this year? Not pressure, not urgency, but care. This doesn't mean everything else disappears. It simply means these are the areas you lead with. This final question is an anchor for the year. Ask yourself, what would make this year feel safe, sustainable, and supportive for me, emotionally, mentally, and physically? Not impressive, not optimized, not exhausting, but supportive. Let this question guide the way you plan, work, and show up this year. Now, take a slow breath. You don't need to rush into action after this. Reflection itself is a form of progress. Clarity doesn't arrive all at once, it unfolds when you give yourself the space to listen. You can come back to these prompts anytime this month or anytime you feel disconnected from yourself. And if you'd like a place to continue journaling gently, I have left a free Notion journaling template in the description box below that you can use at your own pace. This year doesn't need to be forced, it gets to be built slowly, intentionally, in a way that truly supports your nervous system. Thank yourself for taking this moment.